Welcome here to the treasure hunting here in the Philippines, and let us know the reality of treasure. Yamasita treasure in this island. So I will find some sign to prove that the treasure in the Philippines is real. And look at this. This is one. This is one of the biggest sign in this project. Diamond shape. It means treasure under. And I will find another sign here. Here's the hole. And to this side, there's a hole and point. It means this is a treasure area. And the other hole in the stone. Oh, what a nice sign. The depth of this treasure is approximately 30 feet. But we are now in 25 feet deep. And look at this. The Cavite sign or creep wrap rock. And the detected items of this project are gold bars, Japanese cement, old coins, and diamonds, and other metals. And according to the history of this place, this is one of the Japanese camp during the World War II. Okay, we will find some old creek. And according to the history, this portion was the old creek. during the Japanese time. And look at this sign. Nice sign. Whole heart, it means gold bars. And the other is, oh, nice. And the other one is heart whole shape. And it's amazing. Amazing sign. Oh, look at this. It's like a telescope. Telescopic stone. Heart hole. Back to back hole. Made by the Japanese soldiers. And another sign. Pyramid. Pyramid stone. It means treasure under. And this is the press sign that came here. Oh, this sign is from here. We will take a look. What does it mean? Oh, very nice. Like it likes foot with three fingers, but the position is side side position, and I think it is indicating the deep, the measure. It indicates 3 meters deep, and indicates center center of this project. Beautiful sign. It is made by the Japanese soldier during the World War II. Oh, treasure in this country is very real sign, real project, real object. So guys, pray for us to hit the object in this project.